We have Sticky C. I'm sorry. We got
back order.
Auntie Cat. We have Uncle Jimmy.
Oh yeah.
Nana Bear. Because his Chief jersey isn't in yet. But in his honor, we're gonna give him Papa Schwick. And turn around. Oh, who's that for? Is that for this guy right here?
Shari, you didn't show a picture of the new hoodies?
I'll take one of those.
I want to see it. You look like a good Santa right now. So, Austin, you're videoing me right now?
Yeah.
What? So look, Frank Voigt from Chicago PD. Listen, if you can't handle it, then you need to tell me now so I can cover your ass.
We are going to Fleming Park for our first softball game. We've sponsored our first softball team. We're very excited.
If you see me speed up, Billy speed up, anyone speeds up. Always just find me. Always find me. Even if I'm the one that's speeding up, you're gonna see me slow down after speeding up, and I'm gonna result probably to the right lane and hang back after speeding, so you guys can catch up to me and we can reform. So that's what you do in that sense. Other than that, try to stay in clear form as long as Austin is in need, and then I can also give a go-ahead on the radio that Austin got some footage, and as of right now, we're clear to have some fun.
We ready?
Everybody start their engines.
Let's go!
So you guys all right or what? Need some help?
It's Wednesday.
Help? Give me
We're not supposed to be out here on a Wednesday.
That's all, man.
What's up?
Here to support you.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Appreciate it.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
My base percentage ain't good.